with artisticvegan.com and welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show. I'm very happy to bring you empanadas, and you can make these gluten-free or with wheat flour, whatever you prefer. That's the beauty of the recipe. The dough is really versatile and it holds up really well, and you can roll it out quite easily and then fill it with whatever you would like. If you want something sweet or maybe you want something more savory, whatever you prefer. I'm going to show you how to make two different varieties today. For one of the fillings, I used a homemade refried beans recipe that I've made in the past, and a vegan cheese and a little bit of rice, and you could use whatever you'd like there. And then for the sweet kind, I used strawberry and did add a little bit of cornstarch to the strawberry preserves, and it just makes it a little bit thicker. You want to mix together the flour and salt in a food processor or a bowl, and then cut in or mix in the coconut butter, or if you're using coconut oil, you can mix in that, and then add your vegan egg mixture that's congealed. I use psyllium, but you could also use flax. And then add your water just a little bit at a time until the dough begins to whirl around and come together. Then lightly flour your workspace and your rolling pin and the dough and roll it out until it's about 1/8 of an inch thin, and then you can cut it out using discs or a bowl or whatever you have there to make your preferred circular discs. You can also use a tortilla press, and that's a nice easy way to do it too. Once your empanadas are filled, then you'll want to put them in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. If you let them go for about an hour before you bake them, it just helps them seal and prevent leaking, so it's something that's really good. You can also freeze these for future usage. While they're in the fridge and the last little bit, you can preheat the oven to about 400 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Before you pop them in the oven, you can make an egg wash. Pop them in for about 25 to 30 minutes or until they're nice and golden and beautiful and bubbling hot. Then let them cool slightly and enjoy with your favorite dip or as you prefer. So that's how to make the empanadas. Here's how they turn out. They are absolutely gorgeous and golden and beautiful and hot and delicious. And it is a little bit decadent and indulgent since the crust is kind of like a pie dough and the filling has whatever you decide to put in it. But since the crust is a little bit fatty, if you will, you may want to tread a little lightly or include a little extra movement after eating these. I hope you love this recipe. You can get it over at artisticvegan.com, and I'll see you next time. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, share it with your friends or others who may like a vegan and or gluten-free empanada recipe. Until next time, bye.